Standard 8th subject mathematics. Welcome student. In this video we studied the practice set 6.4 in unit factorization of algebraic expression. Here we simplify the examples of rational algebraic expressions. How can we simplify? To solve these examples, these types of example, we use factors of quadratic trinomial ax square plus bx plus c. We studied in previous videos. Factors of sum of cubes of two numbers. What is the factors of sum of cubes of two numbers? A plus b means a cube plus b cube has factor a plus b. In second bracket a square minus ab plus b square. What is the factors of a cube minus b cube? A minus b. In second bracket a square plus ab plus b square. What in previous standard we studied a square minus b square has the factor in first bracket addition, in second bracket subtraction. A plus b into second bracket a minus b. If a plus b square is given, then write down this a plus b, a plus b. For example, x square is written as x into s, as this form. A minus b is given, a minus b square is given, then write down is a minus b, a minus b, means 2 times multiplication. By using these all factors, we solve this example. See here. How can we simplify this? M square minus n square means use a square minus b square formula, means m plus n in second bracket m minus n. What is the factors of m plus n square? Do not use expansion formula. Use only square, means 2 times multiplication. M plus n into bracket m plus n. We cannot factorize this term, so it is write down only m square plus mn as it is plus n square. What is the factors of m cube minus n cube? Use formula this m minus n into second bracket m square plus mn plus n square. This is first step, means use all factorized formulae in numerator and denominator of each rational algebraic expression. Now cancel same terms in numerator and denominator, such as m minus n, m minus n. This bracket cancel to this bracket, and also m plus n is cancel. Means in numerator 1 is remaining and denominator m plus n is remaining. Means answer is 1 upon m plus n. This is the answer of this algebraic expression. Now see example number 2. See here, such type of example, how can we solve this? This is a quadratic trinomial. This is the quadratic trinomial. First factorize this quadratic trinomial, such as a square plus 10a plus 21. How can we find the factors of this quadratic trinomial? In first practice set 6.1 we studied this. 21 factorized into 3 into 7, means 3 into 7 gives 21, 3 plus 7 gives 10. If a square has coefficient 1, then write directly factor as such as a plus 3 into second bracket a plus 7. Factors of this quadratic trinomial. Now factorize the second quadratic trinomial, a square plus 6a minus 7, as minus 7 factorized into, if last term is minus sign, then factors are plus and minus, opposite in sign, means 7 into 1. Middle sign coefficient gives the greater number plus 7 and another is minus. Now directly write the factors of these quadratic trinomial as a plus 7 first, and second factor is a minus 1. Now substitute these factors in this rational algebraic expression and then simplify. Write down these terms first here and then simplify as, first write down the factors of this quadratic trinomial, a plus 3 into a plus 7. What is the factors of quadratic trinomial second? A plus 7 into a minus 1 into. Now you see here a square minus 1 means 1 square. Means use here formula a square minus b square. In first bracket addition and second bracket subtraction. A plus 1 into a minus 1. And write down the last remaining term a plus 3. Now cancel the same terms in numerator and denominator, such as a plus 7, a minus 1, means only term is remaining, that a plus 1 is remaining. Therefore answer of this simplification is a plus 1. Example number 3. Now see here x cube minus y cube. Write down first term in x cube minus y cube as cube of 8 is 2x bracket cube, minus cube of 27 is 3y bracket cube, divided by x square minus y square, means write down 4 means 2 square, means 2x bracket square, and write down this term is 3y bracket square. Now use formula for use here a cube minus b cube formula. Write down here, means a minus b means 2x minus 3y, factors of these difference of two cubes. Second one square of these means 4x square, plus product of these two 6xy, plus square of the second term means b square, means a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square, means 9y square. Now factorize this term as a square minus b square, means a plus b into a minus b, means write down as 2x plus 3y. This is first factor, and another factor is 2x minus 3y. Now cancel the both terms, same terms in numerator and denominator as 2x minus 3y. Now remaining terms are 4x square plus 6xy plus 9y square in numerator, and denominator as 2x plus 3y. This is the answer of given rational algebraic expression simplification. Now see another example number 4. How can we simplify this? First factorize this quadratic trinomial. How can we factorize minus 24? How can we find the factors of minus 24? 8 into 3. But product is minus, means one term is minus and another is plus, but middle term has coefficient minus 5. Therefore minus 5 gives the greater number 8 and another number is plus, means factors of this term directly write as x minus 8 and second factor is x plus 3, factors of this quadratic trinomial. Another denominator as x plus 3, this is given, we do not change here. Also here x square minus 64, x square minus 64 means 64 is square of 8, means write down as x square minus 8 square. X minus 8 square, do not write the expansion formula, only write 2 times x minus 8, x minus 8. Now we solve this x minus 8, x plus 3 in numerator, x plus 3, x plus 8 into, use here a square minus b square, means a plus b into a minus b, means first factor is x plus 8, second is x minus 8, and denominator as x minus 8, x minus 8. Now cancel the same terms in numerator and denominator, x minus 8, x minus 8, x minus 8, x minus 8, x plus 8, x plus 8, x minus 3, x minus 3, means only 1 is remaining here, means answer is 1 for this example. Now solve all remaining examples yourselves. Now here practice set 6.4 is completed.